my name is Celeste Byers, and I'm an artist specializing in large-scale murals and illustrations. My client list includes Sephora, Lyft, Facebook, Warner Brothers, and many more. I've painted over 75 murals around the world in the United States, Mexico, Sri Lanka, New Zealand, Vietnam, and Australia. I'm passionate about all that life has to offer, from nature and the environment to the bizarre things made by humans. I love learning about different cultures and different types of people, and I think this is reflected in my work because I celebrate and juxtapose all those things in individual images. In all these years as an illustrator, I've learned that practicing is the only way to develop a better technique and a critical eye. My observational drawing technique consists of deconstructing images into lines, shapes, angles, and forms to determine its essence and translate the soul of what I am creating successfully. In this Domestika course, you will learn my observational drawing method and create a digital illustration with it. For the final project, we will sketch a composition with pencil and ink and color it digitally so it's ready to print and share. First, I'll show you the materials we'll use in the course, and we'll do some sketches following the principles of observational drawing. We're going to do some freehand ink drawing exercises, and then we'll be ready to start sketching our final illustration. After that, we'll ink it by following the rules of observational drawing, and we'll play with line width and add details to make it stand out. We'll use stippling to create form and shading, and we'll clean it from lines and distractions that may affect the process of post-production. I will then explain to you how to scan the image, and we will bring it into Photoshop. We'll add color using different layers and add texture to the drawing, and finally, I'll talk to you about the best formats to reproduce your art. By the end of this course, you will know how to draw with a more critical and developed eye. For this course, you'll need basic drawing knowledge, and it'll be useful if you know a little bit of Photoshop. This course is for anyone who wants to improve their drawing skills and learn to look at the world in a new way. So grab a pen, start drawing with a new eye, and create your own universe.